Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SIGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely beautiful trend on this one, and the price just keeps on putting in those higher lows. And at the end of the day, assuming you care about the big picture of things, that's what it's all about. As long as price movements are putting in higher and higher bases, then the overall chart will continue to take care of itself. But let's get some levels of support mapped out so you can kind of keep an eye on a few different areas of the chart. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $1.20. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly make the chart look the strongest and healthiest going forward. But perhaps you're saying, look, Clay, I care about the big picture of things. I just want a way to gauge the health and strength of the overall move. This right here being defined as the move. So if you just care about that and want a very simplistic way to monitor that, then that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher and higher. So the way you approach this is just simply put, as long as the price stays above the purple line as that line moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. No questions asked. So a very simplistic way to do it. In fact, I like to call moving averages, trend lines for lazy people, because like I said, that quote-unquote trend line will just continue to draw itself higher and higher for you. So as long as the price stays above the trend line, then that just implies that the trend is up, and that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they really do insult your intelligence. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to talk about any of those because, in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases. Or in this chart's case, just keep on doing what it's been doing. As long as the price keeps on building these higher bases, then as you've witnessed, the chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking those areas of resistance. So great trend. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon it or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.